In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows activation error 0x803fa067. So first off, you just have to begin with the troubleshooter as you can see in this picture. Right click on the start and select settings. So you just have to, I just have to show you where. So you just have to go to settings as you here. Just go to home, click home, and this is where you will find the Windows. So you can see that so you can see, click save, go to update and security section and select activation on the left. As you can see, there is an update and security. Just click that and you can see it in here. This is where you will find that error, but my error didn't appear because I have been activated my Windows. As you can see, my Windows has have the digital license and it has been activated. So for you, I just have to show you this picture. So you just have to go troubleshoot and wait till the scan is finished and apply the recommended solutions. Once that's done, check the edition of the Windows. Right click Start and pick System. Scroll down to Windows Specifications and check the edition. So as you can see in here, there is a specification of your system. And as you can see in my Windows, there you can see here in my find my device. Now you just have to go to your about, just search for about, and you can see this about your PC, and you can see this and your Windows specification. And as you can see in here, this is where you found your specification. After that, update your Windows. Make sure all the latest Windows updates are installed. Type updates in Windows search and press enter. Check for updates and install all the optional updates as well and restart your PC. So once you are in here, just go to home and search for update. And as you can see in here, check for updates. You could click that and this is where you check for updates. And as you can see in here, I have an update available, so just check for updates for more something to download in your Windows. And once that's done, you just have to install the updates and restart your computer. And for the four and the next step is just to use command prompt to activate Windows. As you can see, just type cmd and make sure to run as administrator and click yes. And once command prompt opens, copy and paste the following command: slmg or xpr and press enter. As you can see in this picture, you can see that the machine is permanently activated after you click enter this command. And if a product key was used on your system, you could this is another method if your product key is used on your system. So you just have to follow that and make sure you disconnect your internet connection before activating. And once you don't have official key provided by Microsoft, you just have to copy this code, or this is the product key for your Microsoft, and just copy that and make sure you disabled your internet. And once that's done, yeah, that would activate your Microsoft Windows. And there's another solution for activate by phone. So this is another topic, and that's it.